What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Thick Cut, Ohio. I'm going to come to you today with a meat grinder review. Got it from the Meat Your Maker from madewithmeat.com. I actually saw the ad on Facebook and Instagram, and I thought I'd order one. Now this is the 500 watt version. So I got a little over a 3.5 pound chuck roast. So we're gonna make some ground chuck, freshly ground chuck. But what we gotta do first is cut these into cubes or whatever, maybe even julienne them to have them fit inside the grinder. All nice. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. All right, and we're back. I got that chuck roast all cut up into manageable pieces. Go ahead and grab the stomper. And I'm gonna go ahead and load up this hopper. Grab this one last piece there. All right, push that back so you can see the chute. Now I got it oiled up with a little bit of olive oil, and we are going to go ahead and turn it to wine. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's coming out beautifully. 500 watt version. We'll upload this to YouTube and Instagram at Thick Cut Ohio. Oh, now we're coming. Now we're shooting. Oh wow, that looks delicious already. It's not even cooked. Alright. Load up another piece. That's fresh. And that's what we're going to be doing here, folks. Freshly ground beef. Hopefully I can get a hold of a distributor. Now this is Angus, but I want grass-fed. Grass-fed. I can't say I've eaten it forever, but ever since I've tried it, it's the best. All right, we're grinding. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Made with Meat 500 watt meat grinder. Took a couple of minutes to grind that 3.5 pound chuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And there we have it. I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna make these into patties. Probably gonna put a little bit aside. I'm not gonna eat all that. And make a few smash burgers, and we'll be back. All right, got a couple of, they're gonna be patties. I'm gonna make some smash burgers. You know, you start smash burgers with a sphere of meat. This is probably gonna be the freshest hamburger I've had ever, quite possibly. I've never had a hamburger that was right off the grinder. So I'm gonna get the grill ready and we're gonna grill them up. Alright everybody, I'm outside now. I'm out here on the solar everywhere infrared propane grill. Got it nice and hot. I'm gonna grill these bad boys up, freshly ground. And I got some baby Swiss and some barbecue sauce. I'll be back on the flip. Alright everybody, I'm back. Now I'm letting these cook a little bit slower than I do usually on my steaks. Give it a little slower cook. Got the first turn. Gonna cook these to about slightly before medium. Now one thing you do need to watch out for is that it is so tender that it'll come apart when you try to flip it. Be careful of that. Alright, we're gonna melt a little slice of Lacy Swiss over here. Let it rest, and then go ahead and throw it on the bread with the barbecue sauce. And I got some onion I'm gonna cut up fresh, and it's gonna be delicious. All right, and there we have it, folks. Fresh off the grill. Make your meat your maker, made with meat. That's the unit without all the hardware on it. I got that soaking in some water for the cleanup. But we got that freshly ground chuck, Lacy Swiss, onions and barbecue sauce with soy-free bread. I'm allergic to soy. And I'm gonna give this a quick taste test. Oh my God, that was the tenderest, juiciest hamburger I've ever had. Seriously, like I didn't even have to chew. I could have just swallowed it whole. It was delicious. I highly recommend the Meat Your Maker 500 watt. Decided to give them a chance. Like I said, I saw the ad on Facebook, and I also saw it on Instagram, so I went and followed their Instagram because I was in the market for a fresh meat grinder, and wow, it's totally delicious. Hey, check out a few of these videos that's popping up on the screen.